Dear educators, welcome to the Student Alliance community. My name is Shahrukh. Till 10th standard, chemistry is something where we're kind of familiar about C and S block elements and P block elements and D block elements. But F block elements is all of a sudden surprise in your 12th standard. And when you have so much altogether, how can you make the F block element study much more easier? As shown on the previous video, just go on chemistry, go down to the modern periodic table, double click on this, click on your simulation. Now in the simulation, the lanthanides and the actinides are the F block elements. Now one of the most important part is to remember the first 5 and the last 5 of each side. That way you kind of understanding the similarities between them. So here for cerium, the electronic configuration is xenon 4f1 5d1 6s2. Similarly, if you go to the last element of lanthanides, which is lutetium, it is xenon 4f14 5d1 6s2. Now same with actinides, the first element is thorium, which is radon 6d2 7s2, and as you go to the last element, which is lawrencium, you have the electronic configuration, which is radon 5f14 6d1 7s2. So you can see the similarity, but having this kind of pre-annotated things would make your life more easier. Thank you so much.